Hi everyone and good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunita. I am from UP. I hope you are doing well and learning this beautiful and amazing language in a fun and simple way. Friends, this video is not going to be any particular topic. In this video, I am going to speak what what is in my mind. It means what is going on my mind. I will speak in this video. So first of all, I want to tell you something. Like most of the people are unable to speak English. Behind it is main reason why they are humble, why they don't speak English, because they are fear of making mistake. This is the very common problem, and this is the very genuine problem of all English learners. They think that when I will become perfect, then I'll speak English. Friend, this is totally wrong. If you think like this, when I become perfect, then I will speak English. Everyone make a mistake, and no one speak. No one speaks like a pro. When you speak English, you make a mistake, but that is okay, and that is very common. So don't wait. Don't wait perfections. You can speak English. But if you know like simple English sentences like good morning, how are you? I am fine. I am good. What about you? What are you doing? If you speak simple sentences, then after some times you will become confident. You realize I can speak English. At in my initial days, I was unable to speak one sentences, one word. I can't speak English. Sorry, I couldn't speak English. But nowadays, I can speak English because most of the time I practice English. You can see behind me, construction work is going on, and they are asked to school. That one is big, and this one is little bit is small, because this one is primary level school, and that one is near about 6 to 12th standard, that one. And it is very famous school about my local areas. So actually it is around 8:30, and I am going to my library where I study. I don't teach a student, but I feel like teaching a student because it is my passion, and I can't quit my passion. But I quit. I miss my student. I miss all my colleagues and all teachers, colleagues, students, everyone. I miss. I miss everyone, and everyone miss me. So it is a journey. It is journey, and we can't forget our journey, our destination. That's why I quit this job. I am an aspirant. You know very well, because in my previous video I told you that I am aspirant and I want to become success in my life. That's why I I quit, and it is my journey. I don't have any clue. I don't have any idea how many years will it take. How many years will it take to become success? I don't have any idea about it because it is competitive exam, and there are many students who take there are many students who take exam, but they get fail. They are very hard working, they are very hard working student, however they fail. But I am lazy. I am lazy. I don't know what will happen about me. I don't know anything about it. But this is my journey, and this journey will always continue. It means it is learning journey. Everything I learn. I am a student. I was teacher, but right now I am not a teacher. I was teacher, but I uh, I want to teach students. I want to teach something because teaching is my passion and I love teaching. So I will meet after some time. Okay, friends, as you can see the background, there is no anyone, and I am going to my home from the library. I spend near about 8 hours plus there, but I studied only 7 hours. You heard right, friend. I studied only 7 hours. It means my day was productive only 7 hours. Because math and reasoning, these are two major subjects in which I am average. I am average at that subject. But I can say I'm not good, I'm not bad. I am average. But I am good at English grammar. I can understand easily every concept in English. But if I talk about math and reasoning, it takes much time to understand every concept. There are many formulas, there are many tricks. So it is, I think, according to me, it is very tough for me. Sometimes I think it is very tough for me, but sometimes I think it is simple. When I practice level 1 question or type 1, it seems, yeah, it's easy. I can understand very well. But after some time, I forgot all the things due to lack of practice. It means if I practice, I can remember everything. If I don't practice, I can't remember anything. Like English. If we practice regularly every single day, we can become fluent, right? But I don't have time to learn this language. I don't have time to practice. This is wrong. This is not the fact, because you have much time to learn this language. If you are doing any work, you can speak English very well. But how? How? I I tell you, if you are in the kitchen, you can look around and you will find many things, and the things the name in English. If you don't know what is called in English, then you have to search, and then you have to write down in your copy and then write. Okay, thank you friends for watching me this video. Actually it is getting dark, and I have to go my home soon. That's why I wrap this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will meet in the next video. Bye bye.